JR RV Service is a well-respected RV repair and service industry leader, conveniently located in Hemet, California, and serves clients in the surrounding areas. We are a family of RV enthusiasts that innovates in everything we do, so you are always getting the cutting edge of workmanship, technology, and creativity required to solve your needs. We can perform numerous upgrades to enhance your enjoyment and comfort for your home on wheels. No specialists are better trained or more skilled than JR RV Service technicians. We are the RV service and repair shop you can trust.